For this next step, we're going to need to go to Google Drive, and we're going to need to go to the Grade 7 D&T Resources folder, find the Endangered Animals Slotted Toy folder, select that, and we're looking for this file. It's called lasercutterpens.ase. If we select it, you'll find that there is no preview available for it, and that you are only given the option to download it, which is exactly what we want to do. I'm just going to press download, and there it appears down on the bottom left corner. Now if we switch programs to Adobe Illustrator, what we're now going to do is we're going to go to the swatch option over here on the right, and if this option isn't available to you, you can always go on Window and choose Swatches. I'm just going to select it from here, and we have the option to open a new swatch library. A swatch library is a collection of colors. So I'm going to go down to my downloads folder, I'm going to choose that laser cutter pens file that I've just downloaded, open that, and what that does is it opens a collection of pens, a collection of colors that the laser understands and will follow. Now each one of these colors has a particular purpose. Black are the things that get cut out first, red is the stuff that gets cut out second, and then so on for each one. And so what we're going to do is we're going to choose a collection of colors that are going to cut out the things that we want in the correct sequence. So the things that we want to be cut out first are going to be our slots. We want to cut those out first. So we're going to use that same technique we use. We're going to choose everything that is red by going select, same, appearance. That's going to choose all of our red slots, and we're going to choose to assign them to laser black. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to select the outline. Keep moving my shapes. I'm going to choose the outline for the black. I'm going to go option, select, same, appearance, and that's going to choose all of the other ones. Notice it doesn't choose the black lines for me. The reason for that is because the types of black that these two shapes are actually subtly different, and that's the important reason why we have to use these color swatches. We're going to cut those bits out second, so we're going to choose the red pen for that. And then the final thing that we want to cut out is we're going to choose to engrave our name. We're not going to cut those out, we're going to turn the power setting down on those, so we're going to choose that as green. So we're going to cut out the slots, cut out the animals, and then engrave our name on it in that sequence. Last thing we need to do is just double check that our file format is an RGB. If your one happens to say CMYK for any reason, you're going to need to go File, Document Color Mode, and make sure that RGB is selected from there if it does say that. If it does say CMYK, you may actually need to reset these colors again and choose them from the color swatch library again. Last thing, File, Save, and we are done.